Autoclave maintenance is important, and there are a lot of intricate steps involved to ensure your autoclave's longevity. Here at Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions, we understand that better than anyone, so we'll show you how we perform one of the maintenance steps for the Statim G4 5000. Specifically, we'll show you how we replace the Statim G4 5000 check valve, and we have Ian here to walk you through it.
We have our check valve. This is on our 2-year PM list. If you have an OEM check valve that looks like this, you will need a 9/16. This will simply pull off, and this will unscrew. You want to make sure that there are no threads, any of this red that's on here, that will not get into that boiler. Our new one will go right back on. And when you tighten this down, it does not need to be torqued on, but you do want it to be firm. We do want to reattach our tube to our check valve. The new check valve does come with a new zip tie. However, I did not change this check valve as it is brand new.
If you have any questions about the Statim G4 5000 or anything else, please give us a call at 704-966-1650, option 3 for our free tech support line. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.